What I've achieved in the last 13 weeks of the program is a better understanding about the routine, the nutrition, and also the methodology of how to achieve fitness goals. And the kind of methods what these guys have actually employed are pretty unique. As I said, like I've been to different gyms and different trainers before, but this particular program helped me out to keep me motivated all the time and achieve my goals. Yeah, my name is Suresh. I actually I'm looking for a good personal trainer who can help me out to achieve my goals, fitness goals. I've been to a few gym trainers before, but I'm looking for somebody who can actually be accountable and also make me accountable for achieving my goals. I'm looking for trainers, and then I found Mind Performance Health, Mick and his reviews and then his methodology, and then I reach out to them, and that's where I land up here. I would strongly recommend MPH because, as I said, the methods are very unique, and they are very committed and accountable, and also make us accountable as well for our actions. And I enjoy it because they're more personal, and they're not like one-stop shop for everybody, but they try to define a unique method for each individual, and that really helps anybody who wants to achieve their goals. And then I strongly recommend these guys.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.